I've enjoyed this so much and I've been learning a lot. By attending this course, I wanted to learn how to effectively manage my team, to develop the skills required to do that in an efficient way, and try and learn how to adapt my management style depending on the different kind of personalities I have to deal with. Jon was very good in getting across the key messages, and I really enjoyed the fact that he challenged us and didn't give us the answer straight away. Even when we were struggling, he would always prompt us with new ideas and trying to think outside the box. That really made us think and started like this creative thinking process, which we discussed during the course as well. So I think the method Jon used that was most effective was giving a lot of examples and always having the theory sided by like a practical example, and also giving us the possibility to put into practice by doing exercises or role play. I really like the role play bit, as you can tell.